Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Life, and today we have a very talented actress with us, Raima Singh. Hi Raima, welcome to the portal. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
How's your father's health? I got to know he was not keeping that well.
No, because he's recovering, but slowly. I mean, he had very bad case of COVID. He was in hospital, but now, I mean, he has bad days and good days.
Okay, okay.
We just have to be careful.
I have seen the trailer of your show, and I must say, एक अलग level का ना excitement आ गया है. We want to know कि what's gonna happen, and the story itself is very new. How excited are you for the show?
I am very, very excited because I'm very happy that I got to work with Amit Kumar after seeing his monsoon shootout. And then when he told me the whole story, I was very intrigued and fascinated. And I can tell you one thing that it's really an authentic show. And it's going to be one hell of an original. And it'll definitely pique everyone's interest. I think the teaser's caught everyone's attention already.
Yeah, Raima, so your character in the show looks very mysterious. What do you want to say about your character? And it's like a thrill. हम लोग और जानना चाह रहे हैं कि क्या है क्या, but ज़्यादा बताया नहीं हुआ. तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो मैं यही बताऊंगी कि she's a mysterious character, and like you see her in the teaser and the trailer, now you see her, now you don't. And of course, as the episodes progress, you'll know more about my character. But since right now it's not even released and I'm playing someone mysterious, I can't really tell you. But watch it, you'll know.
थोड़ा तो फिर भी spill the beans, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ पता चल जाए.
I'll spoil the show. I'll spoil the intrigue part of the show.
Wow.
Just
Okay.
be happy now, see here and there in the trailer and the teaser.
Yeah, man, it's like quite intriguing, and we are like wanting to know what are you doing, what are your character specifications
So
and
that
stuff.
should carry on na, towards all the episodes. And what is she exactly doing, and what's this all about? Looks are
Yeah, I'm
deceptive.
waiting for the show for sure. So my next question is that with the you have done so well in Black Widows, and now you're doing this show, and you were in one story of Forbidden Love as well. So with the
Hmm.
OTT, do we see you more, or what kind of characters you're doing in OTT? And with the coming of
Thank
OTT
God for
space,
the
more
OTT.
roles have come to you.
Thank God for the OTT. I am getting a lot of offers actually. I keep getting, but of course I want to be selective because I'm waiting for this to release. And I've done another big show for another big OTT that will also release. But I am now being selective because, of course, it takes a lot of time to shoot these and a lot of energy. And, it's not just like 15, 20 days of work, it's months and months of work. And I'm hoping that since now with this show is going to be shown in 240 countries, I'm hoping that, I'm waiting to see where this show will take all of us, in fact, not just me.
Okay. 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 So my next question is, you have come from such a prestigious film family. So do you think it helped you a bit in your journey, or was it difficult for you coming from a film family?
See, I said I got my first break very easily because I was, Munmun Sen's daughter, Suchitra Sen's daughter. So the first break godmother, Vinay Shukla, came, he heard of me and he wanted me. So I got that easily. But I would say after that, my struggle has been like any other newcomer because after that, I've gone for screen tests. I've been thrown out of films. I have, really had to struggle. I wouldn't say being a star kid has made it easier for me. And even in Bengal, initially, they'd be comparing me to my grandmother, who's a legend in my first two movies in Bengal. I can't be compared to my grandmother. But of course, slowly, I think things fell into place after I did Chokir Bali. So people stopped, then I created a niche for myself after Chokir Bali. Then I carried on doing films like Honeymoon Travels, Parinita, and a lot more other regional films also, and films in different languages. But I will say I've struggled as a newcomer will have struggled. I think a star kid will maximum get one or two breaks easily. But after that, it's like for everyone is if you have, I mean, the fittest survive. That's what I can see. You will have your fair share of struggle. Nothing comes easy in this industry.
And how hard was it for you to break free from the, you coming from film family, from the image of your mother and your
Yes,
grandmother?
so
How hard was
initially,
it for you?
yeah, initially there's more expectation and there's more pressure, and there's more pressure to perform and do well. And initially, you just don't understand it because you don't want to be compared because you you're just a newcomer. But I think after Chokir Bali, I think people stopped comparing me. I got a lot of critical acclaim and this and that, and then I started. Then slowly, I think I was just known as Raima Sen. And now, of course, they say I look like my grandmother, but the comparison is not so much. Then now it's like I'm happy to be a granddaughter.
Okay. And what are the reasons that we don't see you much in Bollywood? Because you are capable of doing such performance-oriented roles as we see in the show's trailer. So why we are not seeing you more in Bollywood? Do you think you've been caricaturist for a sex symbol? That's the reason, or what are the reasons?
No, I think because I was doing a lot of Bollywood, and then I think 6 years ago I packed my bags and came to Calcutta because I've worked with a lot of very good directors here, like Aparna Sen and Srijit Mukherjee and Kaushik Ganguly. So I was doing Churniga, so I was doing a lot of good work here. So I thought for me, then I'll wait for something better in Bollywood, something bigger in Bollywood, and then of course I started getting all these OTT, web show offers. So now you will see me. But I was just waiting it out. I was doing good films here on the side. For me, a film is a film, just the language is different, be it Bengali or Hindi. So I think at that point I wasn't getting such great offers, and I was getting it here, so I came here. But now
So,
you
but do
see me.
you think that Bollywood caricaturish to you for certain kind of roles only?
Not really, because no, not really. Because all my characters have been different. Like in Parinita, I played something different. In Honeymoon, in Maid, Children of War, I've played like different characters. So no, they are
Mhm.
no, nothing like that.
Okay, so what are the future projects that we are gonna see you in apart from OTT and in Bollywood? What are you doing?
I've done a Tamil film, Agni Sasral, that should release. I've done what else will release? And I'm doing another show for another big OTT platform that should also release next year. And this for now. And then I'm just trying to be like selective and see where all these take me.
And how's your lockdown been?
Well, I found I didn't have such a bad time last year because I spent a lot of time with my parents. I was home, and I never spent so much time with myself before last year. We were always constantly running and wanting to do something, and this time I had to sit at home. But I quite enjoyed the me time. You learn, you read, you watch movies. You have a lot of time to pamper yourself. But of course, now this lockdown, it's. I mean, I get to spend time with my parents. What else? I mean, it's good.
Have you got offers for reality shows as well, say Big Boss or Khatro Ke Khiladi and stuff like
Yeah,
that?
everyone keeps calling every year of all the time. But right now, I'm not ready to do a reality show.
Why do you think you're not ready and when you will be ready?
But now I've got so many shows and movies releasing. I think reality show I
That's
will
true.
later. Maybe not. Maybe.
So are you teasing your fans that you might perform, like you might enter in such shows
But
in
if I do
future?
a reality show, it'll be like the adventurous type one. That Shatru Ki Khiladi and
Khatro
all.
Ke Khiladi. Khatro Ke Khiladi.
That,
Okay.
that. So not maybe not Big Boss, but something adventurous, something fun, and something I look forward to do.
How adventurous are you in your real life?
I'm quite adventurous. Like I've gone skydiving alone in Chicago without telling anyone. So
Wow.
I'm paragliding, parasailing in Nepal. So I like doing all of that. I think I still have yet to do bungee jumping. I look forward to
Wow.
doing it someday.
I hope you do that soon. With that, what kind of messaging you want to do to your fans for your show and upcoming things and everything?
I'd be like, please watch Lasta, and I'm guaranteeing you that you will enjoy it and you will binge watch it. Just put on your TV on the 14th of May and watch it, and you'll see great performances. You'll see a great show, great locations, and yeah, a great story, an original, authentic story. And I'm sure we won't let you down.
And I'm sure I'm waiting desperately for the show. With that, good luck with the show, and we'll connect again for your future projects.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. Be safe, and all the very best for the show.
Thank you.